try it and you tell them.
Am I supposed to eat it like an apple?
Yeah, I already washed it. Just
Eat
eat
the
it like
skin?
that. Yeah.
What?
What are your best memories when you were in the Philippines?
I like that hotel.
Good morning everyone! Happy Sunday! Si Zeta takbo ng takbo. Punta kami ngayon ng Walmart. Mag-grocery shopping ulit kami. And syempre meron ulit tayong grocery shopping haul. Last week hindi ako nag grocery shopping haul kasi hindi kami sumama kay Mister na mag-grocery shopping sa Walmart kasi masama yung pakiramdam ko. So siya lang mag-isa yung nagpunta doon para mamili. So andito muna kami sa auto part shop kasi bibili si Mister ng battery nitong GTO niya. Kasi hindi ko alam, parang nagkakaroon ng problem. Sabi niya, pagka daw ganitong malamig, ganun daw talaga siya. Eh, since luma na rin itong car na to, ayun, kaya kailangan na din ng bagong battery. Diba, baby? Say hello. Hi, everyone. Say hello to everyone. Ba't hindi na ikaw nag-hello sa kanila? Suplada na ikaw kasi malaki ka na. Say hello. Low kisses na lang. Low kisses. Baby, that's not good. You're not saying hello anymore. Ay! Sinisipa mo sila. Pasaway na ikaw na, baby, ha? Pasaway na ikaw. So, hello everyone. Andito na kami sa bahay. Meron naman tayo grocery shopping haul. Ay! Yung si Zeta, nakakatakot. The strawberries. Maliit lang yung kinuha naming strawberries ngayon. Kasi nga, hindi na ubus ni Zeta. Tapos nakakuha ako nito. Bayabas. Guava. I'm so excited. Matagal ko na nga hindi nakakatikim ng bayabas. Ay, dalawa pala yung kinuha ni Mister na strawberries. Kala ko isa lang. So, dalawang pack ng strawberries. Tapos avocados. Lemon. Gagawa si Mister ng lemon juice. What's this? Chicken gravy. Kasi mag-fried chicken si Mister. Tapos rice. Maliit lang yung kinuha namin. Yung rice. Taco blend. Cheddar cheese. Whole milk. Itong mga whole milk na to, lahat to para kay Zeta. Tapos vegetable oil. Yung aking favorite na mango coconut milk. And then salsa sauce. Put it there. Dali. Put it there. Grapes. Bananas. Figs. Para kay Mr. Hershey's dark chocolate. Bananas ulit. Italian seasoning. Isa pang whole milk. White corn tortillas. Isa pa mango coconut milk. Coconut drink. Mustard. Lime juice. Original taco seasoning mix. Baby, where are you? Ay! Olives and minced pimiento. Pickles. Konti lang yung aming pinamili ngayon. Less than $20. Blueberries. peanut butter cookies, croissant, chicken breast, tapos ground pork and pork. So ayun lang ang aming pinamili for this week. So yung total niya, hindi ko alam kung nasa yung resibo, pero nakita ko nung binayaran siya ni Mr. Less than $200, parang nasa 170 something dollars. Ayun, kasama doon yung kanyang diapers na Huggies. So ayun, so ipuput away ko lang ito. See you later. So ayan, tapos na akong mag-put away ng aming ng aming grocery. So itatry ko tong bayabas. Hindi siya malutong. Parang lasang luya. Hindi ako na asin. Dapat magtitinola ako. Kaso kanina dun sa Walmart, walang papaya, tapos wala ding sayote. Most obviously wala ding di pa yung dahon ng malunggay, tapos wala ding dahon ng sili. So, hindi ko ngayon alam kung paano ko magtitinola kasi wala akong maisahog na gulay. Hindi ko alam kung makapunta kami sa Asian grocery store bago bumalik si Mr. sa work. Check ko kung meron dun sayote or papaya. I-crave kasi ako sa tinola. Tapos pinanood ko sa Panlasang Pinoy kung paano magluto ng tinola. Madali lang pala. So yun. Hopefully makapunta kami doon sa Baby, where are you? Sa Asian grocery store para makaluto ako. Harap naman. Kaya lang kasi yung mga kinakain kong bayabas sa Pilipinas. Sa atin kasi di ba yung malalaki? Ano bang tawag doon? Guava jelly ba yun? Tapos medyo malutong siya. Ay, di ba pwede itong gamitin pang sinigang? Sinigang sa bayabas? Sinigang kaya ako. Kasi wala akong sinigang mix. Pag-isipan ko. Madali lang ba magsinigang sa bayabas? Hindi ko pa kasi na-check sa YouTube kung paano gumawa ng sinigang sa bayabas. Miss ko na to. Kayo, miss nyo na ba ang guava? Kailan kayo huling nakakain ng bayabas? Si Miss hindi pa siya nakatry. Papatikim ko sa kanya mamaya. Pero feeling ko di niya na magugustuhan. Hindi kasi siya malig sa maasim. Yung sinigang nga ayaw niya. Tinry niya pero hindi niya masyadong feel. Yan si Zaira, syempre nagkakalat na naman. Kanina nung nasa Walmart kami, merong matandang babae, sabi niya, ang cute daw ni Zaira, para siyang little bunny. Kasi sa kanyang outfit. Ayan, si Dara. Wah! Kalat na naman dito sa bahay. So, ipatry natin kay Mr. itong bayabas. Have you tried eating guava before?
I cannot tell the difference between a guava and a papaya.
It's different. Papaya is big. You try. Look.
And there's another one.
Wait, it's too tall. Try it. And you tell them.
Am I supposed to eat it like an apple?
Yeah. I already washed it. Just
Eat
eat
the
it like
skin?
that. Yeah.
There are seeds in it.
Yeah. You eat the seeds.
Why do you eat your shit or rock hard?
You eat the seeds. That's just how it is. How is it? You don't like
It's
it?
very unpleasant.
You don't like it?
If you took the seeds out,
You can't take the seeds out, love.
you just swallow them like pills.
You just chew it.
I
It's gonna
can't. It
break.
hurts my teeth.
Oh my god, you're so annoying. How about the taste?
The taste is fine, but it hurts my teeth.
Because of the seeds.
Yeah.
That's just how it is.
I'm not
You eat
used
the
to
seeds.
chewing anything that hard. was the hardest
You
thing
keep
I've
it as if you don't
chewed.
like it. You put salt.
No.
That's how it is. You put salt. You're gonna enjoy it better.
I don't mind if I swallow the seeds like pills, but chewing the seeds is weird.
You're just not used to it, but if you don't like it, give it to me. How do you rate it from 1 to 10?
Well, the flavor is very nice. I'm sure they get extremely delicious. The baby is under your salt.
And then, but how do you rate it overall?
Because of the seeds, thumbs down.
You
gonna
rate
eat
it from
those
1 to
seeds.
10.
Under 5.
Whatever. Ayaw niya ng buto.
You remove the seeds.
Then you're not gonna eat anything, just the skin, just the...
It's like a pear, but pears don't have seeds all over them.
Love, the seeds of the pear is different from this. This one, you can eat the seeds.
That's what you think because you're used to doing it your whole
Yeah,
life.
because that's just how it is. You're not used to it, that's why it's weird for you. When you poop, you're gonna see the seeds in your poop.
I don't poop.
Want this? No, not for babies. Can't eat this.
I don't sweet pie. Don't do that. Oh, my baby Zeta.
The bunny Zeta.
A teddy bear baby. This baby a teddy
The lady said she looks like a bunny. Are you abusing your father? Nakabusit to sila, hindi na naman tinanggal yung bigote niya. Diba? I'm telling you that I'm so annoyed at your, is this mustache? Mustache?
It's a goatee.
Goatee? Is that goatee? You look like a villain in a movie. Ayan, si Mr. ay nagluluto na ng aming dinner. Love, what are we gonna make for our dinner?
Nothing special.
What? What is that nothing special?
Tacos.
Tacos. And then, chicken nuggets for Zeta. Ayan, tacos lang kami ngayon for dinner.
Very tired. I'm too tired to care about cooking. Just gonna throw something together.
Si Zeta. Baby, she's trying to open that cabinet again. Hindi ka dyan pwede, baby. Alis dyan. Zeta, come here.
Hey, no.
See, I told you, she can she can fit there. Nung napanood ko yung paano gumawa ng sinigang sa bayabas, pinag-iisipan ko pa kung gagawin ko ba siya. Kasi dapat yun, di ba, hinog na hinog. Hindi kasi siya masyadong hinog na hinog. Tsaka di ko alam kung enough na ba ito. What you doing? Kakalat ka na naman, baby. Love, do you remember when you tried the rambutan fruit in the Philippines? The one that has the big seed, the red one that you have to open.
Yeah, maybe.
How is it?
No.
How is it? Do you like it?
I don't remember very good. I didn't dislike it. I think it was kind of just unusual, and I can't remember the flavor, and I don't know if it was a good one or a bad one. I don't remember really. I'm drinking a lot.
That's the only thing that you can remember. You're drinking a lot.
I don't really remember that very good.
Whatever. Love,
Wow.
what are your best memories when you were in the Philippines?
I like that hotel we stayed at, the Paradise Garden Hotel, because
In Boracay?
yes, there's a very nice gardens over there. And I like the Bohol Beach Club in Bohol because it was a very nice beach. That was the nicest beach that we went to. So those were my two favorite. Oh, and those mountains when we took the motorcycle to the mountains. Like, see, we didn't really get to look at the mountains very much. We kind
It
of
was raining, right?
drove by them, and then, but I liked those mountains that we saw. And I don't know. That's it for now.
How about the things that you don't like when you were in the Philippines?
I don't like the freaking roosters. They're too annoying.
What else? The traffic in Antipolo.
Yeah, I don't like the traffic in Antipolo. And that's it.
Ayan, so ito na ang aming dinner for tonight. Meron din kasamang rice. Tacos, rice. Uulamin na lang namin ito. Tapos plus taco, salsa, cheese, avocado. Si Zaira ay rice lang at saka chicken nuggets. So, tapusin ko na ang mong video dito. Thank you so much again for supporting Zaira's Mama and Daddy's YouTube channel. See you again next time. Bye! Bye-bye!